Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use layout for Instagram stories. If you're using Instagram and you want to use layout for your Instagram stories, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first, I recommend you how to try to update your app. So go for your App Store or Play Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find you just have to try to update your app, so after updating you have to simply open your Instagram app, and here just tap on this plus option and then select story from here. Once you have selected story, you just have to select the layout option from here. Just select layout and then tap on this change grid option, and you just have to select the layout which you want to set. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Now you just have to try to take photos. You can also add different photos from your gallery, and once you have done, you just have to tap on this done option here, and your grid or layout is now ready. Just tap on this your story option and it will be posted to your story, or you can also use different and edit options from here. So in this way you can easily use layout for your Instagram stories. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.